Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food videos. We're continuing with even more creamy chicken recipes that are rich, satisfying, and super simple to make. Ready for more kitchen inspiration? Let's go! Healthier alternatives for creamy chicken. Who says creamy chicken has to be heavy? With a few smart swaps, you can enjoy the same satisfying texture and flavor while cutting back on calories and fat. These alternatives prove that healthy doesn't mean bland or boring. Using low-fat dairy substitutes. You don't need heavy cream to achieve a luxurious sauce. Low-fat dairy options keep the creaminess without the extra calories. Here's how to use them. Greek yogurt. Its thick texture mimics sour cream. Stir it in at the end to prevent curdling. Try it in place of cream cheese in a creamy garlic sauce. Low-fat milk plus cornstarch. Simmer milk with a teaspoon of cornstarch for a lighter roux. It thickens just like traditional sauces but with less fat. Cottage cheese, blended. Puree it until smooth, then mix into sauces for extra protein. It works great in casseroles or soups. Each option adds tang and richness while keeping the dish light. Just avoid boiling to prevent separation. Creamy chicken with cauliflower sauce. Cauliflower is the ultimate undercover ingredient for creamy dishes. When steamed and blended, it creates a velvety sauce with a fraction of the carbs. Why it works? Neutral flavor. It takes on the taste of herbs, garlic, or cheese. Silky texture. Blending with a bit of broth or milk makes it as smooth as traditional cream sauces. Try this simple method. Steam cauliflower florets until very soft. Blend with garlic, grated parmesan, and a splash of almond milk. Toss with shredded chicken and pasta or roasted vegetables. It's a game changer for mac and cheese, Alfredo, or even creamy soups. Even picky eaters won't guess the secret ingredient. Pairing creamy chicken with sides. Creamy chicken dishes shine when paired with the right sides. The key is balancing richness with textures and flavors that cut through the heaviness. Whether you prefer classic starches or fresh vegetables, here's how to build a meal that feels complete. Best starches to serve with creamy chicken. Starches act like a canvas for creamy sauces, soaking up every drop of flavor. They also add heartiness, turning a rich dish into a filling meal. Mashed potatoes are a natural match. Their buttery texture mirrors the creaminess of the chicken, while their mild taste lets the sauce stand out. For extra flavor, mix in roasted garlic or chives. Rice works just as well, especially if you want something lighter. Long grain varieties like jasmine or basmati stay fluffy, while risotto-style rice adds its own creamy layer. Pasta is another winner. Shapes like fettuccine, penne, or egg noodles hold onto sauce, ensuring each bite is packed with flavor. Keep it simple. Toss the pasta directly with the chicken and sauce for the best results. Vegetable pairings for balance. Vegetables bring freshness and crunch to contrast the richness of creamy chicken. Roasted, steamed, or raw, they lighten the dish without stealing the spotlight. Roasted asparagus adds a slightly charred, earthy note. Drizzle it with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon to brighten the flavors. A crisp salad cuts through the heaviness with crunchy greens and a tangy vinaigrette. Try mixed greens with radishes, cucumber, and a mustard-based dressing for extra zing. Sautéed green beans keep their snap while soaking up some of the sauce. Toss them with garlic and toasted almonds for extra texture. The goal is simple. Pair creamy chicken with sides that balance, not overpower. With these options, every bite stays interesting. Creative twists on creamy chicken. Creamy chicken doesn't have to stick to the same old recipes. Sometimes, all it takes is a bold spice or an international flair to turn a simple dish into something unforgettable. Here's how to take your creamy chicken from familiar to extraordinary. Creamy chicken with a spicy kick. A little heat can transform creamy chicken into a dish with serious personality. Spices and peppers cut through the richness, adding depth and excitement. Chipotle lime cream sauce is a standout. Blend smoked chipotle peppers into a base of sour cream or Greek yogurt, then brighten it with lime zest. Toss it with shredded chicken for tacos or drizzle it over grilled chicken breasts. For a quicker fix, Sriracha or harissa stirred into a classic cream sauce creates a spicy, tangy twist. Just a teaspoon or two balances the sauce without overwhelming it. If you prefer texture, try jalapeños. Sautéed for mild heat or fresh for a crunch. Cayenne pepper. A pinch adds warmth without changing the sauce's consistency. The key is layering heat so it complements, not dominates. Start small and adjust to taste. International creamy chicken varieties. Creamy chicken is a global favorite, and every cuisine brings its own twist. These dishes prove how versatile a rich, velvety sauce can be. Indian butter chicken is a masterpiece of spices and cream. The sauce starts with a tomato base, simmered with garam masala, ginger, and garlic. Heavy cream and butter give it a luscious finish. Marinate the chicken in yogurt first for extra tenderness. French coco vin blanc trades the usual red wine for white, creating a lighter but equally luxurious sauce. Mushrooms and pearl onions cook down in the wine, then cream ties everything together. Serve it with crusty bread to soak up every drop. For something different, try Thai coconut chicken curry. Creaminess comes from coconut milk, spiked with lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves. Hungarian paprikash. Sweet paprika and sour cream make a vibrant, tangy sauce. Each version offers a new way to enjoy creamy chicken. Whether you're craving spice or global flavors, there's a twist to try tonight. Creamy chicken dishes are the ultimate comfort food, rich, versatile, and always satisfying. Whether you stick with a classic Alfredo or experiment with global flavors, the possibilities are endless. Now it's your turn. Pick one of the recipes above and make it your own. Swap ingredients, adjust the spice level, or try a new side. The best part? Creamy chicken is hard to mess up, so don't overthink it. Just cook, enjoy, and savor every bite. Which recipe will you try first? Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.